Tattoos in my face, nigga. Grill shining in your face, nigga. Blowing smoke in your face, nigga. Hoe smiling in my face, nigga. Your hoe smiling in my face, nigga. She out of line, she out of place, nigga. Everybody know my face, nigga. All eyes on me, get the mace, nigga. Bad bitch with the face glitter. Snoop Dogg, murder was the case, nigga. Yeah, my homie got an open case, nigga. We in this bitch looking like an open safe, nigga. Looking like an open safe, nigga. We in this bitch looking like an open safe, nigga. Yeah, if the beef, we over 8, nigga. Bop, 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 there's no debate, nigga. Yeah, that go to base, nigga. You niggas starve, you let food go to waste, nigga. Choke your punk ass out, neck brace, nigga. I do the same shit, I learned on sex tape, brother. New money, call it cake, fresh baked, nigga. Hungry bullets eating off your chest plate, nigga. I hope this bitch don't think that I'm a half fake, then bitch scream when the dick is halfway in her. When the dick is halfway in her. Damn, you ain't dead yet, I'm amazed, nigga. Guess what? I'm coming back with that gauge, nigga. Not the face, but I feel like sway, nigga. Got you busy turning over in your grave, nigga. I can shoot this bitch and still drive straight, nigga. Bop, 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 I'm irate, nigga. 5'5", stunting like I'm 5'8", nigga. Bumble at the glass, no chase, nigga. Only smoking gas, no brakes, nigga. No brakes, road rage. My new money gonna die of old age. When they shoot, we don't race. We don't need our own space. Need a piece of that pie, we don't need it homemade. I be coming home late, bad bitch, long face. She do every single thing but rub me the wrong way. 96 don't pee, I have that with cornflakes. And I never been intrigued by the patterns on snakes. People dump a dead body, man, I think I know a place. She gon' suck the prototype and swallow all the protege, nigga. Tattoos in my face, nigga. Grill shining in your face, nigga. Blowing smoke in your face, nigga. Hoe smiling in my face, nigga. Your hoe smiling in my face, nigga. She out of line, she out of place, nigga. Everybody know my face, nigga. All eyes on me, get the mace, nigga. Bad bitch with the face glitter. Snoop Dogg, murder was the case, nigga. Yeah, my homie got an open case, nigga. We in this bitch looking like an open safe, nigga.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where these cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. A 500, bands smoking flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes, it's like a dope fiend. It seems my main thing was to be major, paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but they gon' get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me.
Tattoos in my face, nigga. Grill shining in your face, nigga. Blowing smoke in your face, nigga. Hoe smiling in my face, nigga. Your hoe smiling in my face, nigga. She out of line, she out of place, nigga. Everybody know my face, nigga. All eyes on me, get the mace, nigga. Bad bitch with the face glitter. Snoop Dogg, murder was the case, nigga. Yeah, my homie got an open case, nigga. We in this bitch looking like an open safe,
I
nigga.
don't see why they hate me. I'm a clown like John and Casey. They call me Kanye crazy. Ape shit Beyonce Jay-Z. And I'm back with Andre baby. And the doctor's operating, but he never put no scrubs on. From Stoopgate out to Shady. Shady like a shadow or your silhouette. And I like to better check and see why you fit upset. Cause I met your bitch on the internet. Now I'm getting head like a pillow pet. That bimbo can put her lips all the way around his bone and nimble. Like a dusty cartridge from an old Nintendo. Those were the days, but I bet you I'm never gonna be broke again, no. I don't smoke, but I got paper. To be blunt, I'm rolling indo. And I keep it 1,000,000. Real. Murder. Kill. People played it 22-22. Bitch, the fuck apart, shoot you too. Ain't shit I won't do just to get a few YouTube views. Run up in the church like pew. Cause that's what I do. But even to the untrained human eye, we ain't the same, you and I. Somebody should have explained to you why. For you to go against me is simply insane, you will die. That's why they call me kamikaze. It's plain suicide. Yeah, but I know magic, and here go my last trick. I'm about to say abracadabra and pull a rabbit up out of my hat. I'm about to relapse, and I bet you that you won't know how to react. But I look at disgust, I don't gotta be that as I begin to fucking devour the track. And you backpedal, that is a cowardly act, like a sounding attack when the towers collapse.
Tattoos in my face, nigga. Grill shining in your face, nigga. Blowing smoke in your face, nigga. Hoe smiling in my face, nigga. Your hoe smiling in my face, nigga. She out of line, she out of place, nigga. Everybody know my face, nigga. All eyes on me, get the mace, nigga. Bad bitch with the face glitter. Snoop Dogg, murder was the case, nigga. Yeah, my homie got an open case, nigga. We in this bitch looking like an open safe, nigga.